Imagine living in a community where your every need is met. Families grew food, gathered resources, and lived peacefully. This was life before colonialism in Africa. But soon, everything changed dramatically. Colonialism transformed economies, specifically agriculture, mining, and labor systems, to serve European interests. Firstly, let's explore agriculture. Before colonialism, families practiced subsistence farming. They cultivated millet, sorghum, yams, and vegetables for their needs. Communities thrived on mixed cropping and shifting cultivation, allowing the land to regenerate naturally. Then came colonial agriculture. Africans were pushed to grow cash crops for export. This included cotton, coffee, and maize. The land that once fed families now only produced for European markets. With this shift, many suffered from famines and malnutrition. New crops like cassava and groundnuts were introduced. While these crops improved nutrition slightly, they required more labor. They degraded the soil, hurting farmers in the long run. Land ownership transformed as well. Communities lost their rights to land, which became state-owned or controlled by European farmers. This agricultural transformation led to a loss of food security and increased landlessness among Africans. Farming under colonial rule turned local producers into suppliers for distant markets. Next, let's discuss mining. Pre-colonial mining was small-scale and communal. Families mined for gold and copper using simple techniques. These resources served local needs and fostered regional trade. Colonial mining, however, was drastically different. In northern Rhodesia, Europeans discovered rich copper deposits. Companies like Anglo-American exploited these resources for export. Profits flowed to foreign shareholders while Africans worked in perilous conditions. Environmental degradation was rampant. Open pits and toxic pollutants destroyed land and health. New towns emerged around mines, attracting migrant workers. Yet skilled jobs remained exclusive to Europeans, relegating Africans to unskilled labor. Lastly, colonialism drastically altered labor systems. Pre-colonial communities relied on family and communal work. However, colonial powers introduced forced labor and tax systems. Many Africans had to leave their homes for low-wage labor in mines and farms far away. The introduction of hut taxes forced men to seek employment just to survive. With recruitment contracts, Africans faced rigorous conditions, poor pay, and family separations. Mining became synonymous with danger and inadequate living conditions. In summary, colonialism fundamentally reshaped African economies. Agriculture shifted from sustenance to cash crops, leading to food insecurity. Mining evolved from local use to extraction for European markets, leaving environmental destruction in its wake. Labor systems transitioned from community-based to coerced, stripping families of their ties. The economic impact of colonialism was monumental. It served European interests while impoverishing African societies. Understanding this historical context is essential for recognizing current economic issues. If this topic piqued your interest, like, subscribe, and share. Explore more about the economic history of Africa in our next video. Your engagement helps us share these important narratives.